So here we have our wireless camera here. This is the one that will hook up to our RX box, our 4-channel box, all directly to one of our clip-on screens. So you can actually use it to hook up directly to that. It has a big long sort of bracket on here, so you can use it as a rear view camera, because otherwise you can't get the full tilt going on. External antenna, and has to be powered via a DC plug. That DC plug just needs to hook up to power. I don't know off the top of my head the power actual range there, but they're normally 12 to 32 volt, but if you are using it on a 24 volt system, just double check the specs on the page. I've just got it hooked up to a battery here for testing, but that is basically what it looks like. Has the sun cover on it and a big long bracket, which gives you your rear view option. You can check on the page to see all the sizes of it, and that's the camera there. So again, that'll pair to our receiver box that can take 4 cameras, or it can pair direct to one of our clip-on wireless screens. So gives you a different option there if you just want something that actually has power the whole time, so you don't have to run a battery camera.